Discover how ChatGPT can revolutionize your business with the power of artificial intelligence. Unlock the potential to create engaging stories, automate product descriptions, and more. Join us now to learn more. Are you an entrepreneur, content creator, or educator looking for a tool that automates tedious tasks and helps you develop applications quickly and effectively? Well, look no further, because with ChatGPT, artificial intelligence takes the hard work so you can free up your time and create bigger impacts than ever before. Join us in this exclusive video to get a full scoop on ChatGPT, the amazing AI tool that revolutionizes the way you do business. Unlock the power of AI so you can create engaging stories, refine your customer service, automate product descriptions, and create marketing campaigns you never thought were imaginable. Enjoy the ride. Ready to take your business to the next level? Well, subscribe to Life Hacks and keep watching this video to unlock the power of AI and revolutionize the way you do business. ChatGPT is an amazing tool for testing and evaluating natural language processing. It lets you interact with the model by asking questions, making statements, or requesting specific information from a vast database of knowledge. Setting up an account on ChatGPT is easy. Just enter your name and email address. You can also choose different levels of complexity depending on how challenging you want each session to be. Once you're done, you'll be able to access all its features like machine translation functions and other benefits generated by artificial intelligence algorithms. This raises the question, what kind of applications can we build with these AI tools? Creating and setting up an account for ChatGPT-powered platform gives you access to powerful machine learning tools. With these tools, entrepreneurs can develop applications that use AI technology in a lot of different ways. That's why so many people are looking for ChatGPT solutions as a way to make money, by finding niches and audiences that are likely to use them. It's important that you do your research to make sure you have a successful venture into ChatGPT utilization. So how can you recognize opportunities to use artificial intelligence? ChatGPT is a great tool for content creators like bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers to quickly create engaging stories. With the help of artificial intelligence algorithms, users can craft unique styles in seconds. This gives entrepreneurs an opportunity to create new applications never seen before and generate revenue too. It's important to not only identify niches with potential, but also stay up to date on what ChatGPT is doing over time, so your application stays ahead of trends. How can businesses make sure that they are keeping up with the advancements of machine learning? What strategies do you use to stay up to date on advancements in machine learning and ChatGPT? Leave a comment below with your answer. Are you a small business owner? Well, if so, you're in luck. ChatGPT provides powerful tools that you can take advantage of. With an AI-driven platform, you can quickly automate customer service and support requests, generate detailed product descriptions tailored to your audience, and develop marketing campaigns to target potential customers. This gives you access to the same features as large enterprises without having to invest heavily in expensive technology solutions. ChatGPT makes it easier for startups on limited budgets when compared to traditional human labor forces or hiring developers, making tasks like content creation fast and easy while maintaining quality standards. What creative ways can you use these new artificial intelligence technologies? Social media managers can use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, headlines, and captions for social media posts. ChatGPT can analyze data on social media trends and user behavior to suggest topics and phrasing likely to engage followers and drive traffic to a business's social media channels. This saves time and effort for social media managers, allowing them to focus on other aspects of their job like community management or analytics. Additionally, ChatGPT helps ensure that social media content is high quality and on brand. By generating headlines and captions that are compelling and relevant to a business's target audience, ChatGPT can help increase engagement and build a strong social media presence. Social media managers can then use ChatGPT to analyze the effectiveness of their social media posts and adjust their strategy accordingly. By testing different coherent ideals and tracking performance metrics, businesses can continuously improve their social media marketing efforts and increase their ROI. Are you an online entrepreneur looking to make a real impact on your business? Well, ChatGPT can help. With machine learning algorithms, you can create product descriptions that get attention and drive conversations more effectively than traditional methods. Plus, AI technology can be used to tailor email marketing campaigns specifically for each target demographic, and you can use smarter technology strategies based on customer insights or market trends. With ChatGPT, you can also improve communication between buyers and sellers by providing words that better match customers' exact needs. This opens up a world of possibilities for streamlining sales processes and building better customer relationships. So how can you leverage these new opportunities presented by AI tools? Online educators can use ChatGPT to quickly and accurately develop course content. With AI-based algorithms, teachers or trainers don't have to spend time writing individual quizzes. Machine learning technology does it for you. Plus, the platform provides automated student communication services that help save time and money for both instructors and students. These features often make education more accessible by removing some of the barriers posed by traditional methods, like cost or access. So how could ChatGPT be used in future training scenarios? What other potential applications do you see for ChatGPT in the future of training and education? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Market researchers can use ChatGPT to gather insights on consumer behavior and preferences. By asking ChatGPT specific questions related to their target market, businesses can receive valuable information that can be used to inform product development, marketing campaigns, and more. ChatGPT can analyze vast amounts of data on customer behavior and preferences to identify patterns and trends that may be difficult or time-consuming for humans to uncover. For example, businesses can use ChatGPT to conduct surveys or focus groups with potential customers. ChatGPT can analyze the data collected from these surveys to identify common themes and preferences among the target market. This information can be used to inform product design and development, as well as marketing campaigns that resonate with the target audience. With ChatGPT, writers and editors can automate their workflows without sacrificing accuracy or creativity. Authors of all levels can use this AI-backed platform to quickly check grammar, punctuation, and syntax, making sure their text is ready for publication in no time. Editors also benefit from natural language processing capabilities built into the system, allowing them to generate summaries with ease, giving them more time to focus on other aspects of their craft like character development or larger plot points. What amazing aspects open up when we combine creativity with AI tools? ChatGPT is an amazing tool for writers and editors that help automate many aspects of their work. Not only can it generate summaries, it also checks grammar, punctuation, and syntax with precision, giving authors more time to focus on other important parts of their work like research or idea development. Plus, ChatGPT comes with helpful features like displaying alternative wordings that make the text fit better into its context, resulting into a higher quality end product for readers. Using existing networks is key, using your contacts by leveraging social media platforms or messenger services to reach customer bases more efficiently while saving costs on traditional marketing methods. With this strategy, combined with using ChatGPT technology, entrepreneurs can access powerful tools that help them create bigger impacts online than ever before. So what strategies can help increase customer engagement without relying solely on advertising? Well, one way is to create content tailored to your target audience. This can include creating engaging blog posts, videos, or podcasts that are relevant to your customers. Additionally, you can use social media to interact with your customers and build relationships with them. This can involve responding to comments, host Q&A sessions, or running giveaways. By doing this, you can create a more personal connection with your customers and increase engagement. Growing your customer base can be a great way to get the word out about ChatGPT. Posting regular updates about the progress of the project or sharing results achieved with AI-powered automation tools helps draw people's attention and encourage them to give these powerful technologies a try. Reaching out directly via email or text messages and etc. can help build more personal relationships with potential customers, something that's really important in today's world, where technology often takes precedence over human contact. Plus, when successful referrals come through the result of connections made through your networks, not only do they become likely returning customers, they also act as free marketing for you by spreading positive words amongst their friends, creating even more opportunities for success. So how do you balance networking both online and offline? ChatGPT is a powerful tool for entrepreneurs that enables them to develop applications and create unique stories with artificial intelligence algorithms. With this platform, entrepreneurs can quickly automate customer service, generate product descriptions tailored to their audience, and develop marketing campaigns that target potential customers. Additionally, ChatGPT can help content creators like bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers quickly create engaging stories, and online educators can use it to quickly and accurately develop course content. Lastly, writers and editors can use this AI-backed platform to quickly check grammar, punctuation, and syntax, making sure their text is ready for publication in no time. By leveraging ChatGPT and networking them both offline and online, entrepreneurs can access powerful tools that help them create bigger impacts online than ever before. Are you ready to take your business to the next level and start making money with the help of Midjourney? With Midjourney's AI-powered tools, you can create bigger impacts than ever before and generate more income than you ever thought possible. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Watch now and watch the next video to learn how to get it started.